I come bearing some bitter truth. I am completely against Messiah complex. Any Messiah in history is an egomaniac, megalomaniac. Because who the hell are you to think you can save the world? Must literally think you shit gold, or you're just naive. But this is just my opinion. Like 2 years ago now, I was all over the place. Breeze they carry me. So I was forced to dig and establish my roots. Me now they tell you say person put on that time. Say him must see say I stand. Say him be my savior and Messiah. That person for 4. Because him want interfere with ongoing construction by the federal government of Ezumezu. And that guy Akwapian knows. No save anybody, guy. If they get tired, give them water. If they hungry, pass them chow. Or may they sail their ship, sort their matter. Imagine somebody Arabinago is calling to come back home and give a roll to Tanez Sina. We must keep that person in Lagos. When our two go later lap on ourselves, go back that village. Now, does this mean you should not help my market? Call your guy in Bahrain and tell him that Alusi, Genyeli Akame Omena, plant yams in his hometown so that his ancestors will be proud of him. Odefa Adero, I've dug myself out. I'm providing value. I'm not dragging you down. I'm helping you curry favor from your ancestors. Plus, my mama are behind me, and if you help my market, I will take something and tell them that it was you who helped push me further. Right? You gave me water. Don't climb down there to save them, guy. Aga can sit down there. Let them build their value and climb out. Then you people can correlate and collaborate. Guys, I recommend you use Holy Ezumezu to meditate when you are showering. You can use it also as your ego for tutorial. And you can also use it all night when you're sleeping so that you can remember your dreams. It helps, actually. Yagazi.